What are you? You just came flying out. Are you Miss Coobird? You are plump. You are plumpy. I hate that I can't zoom in. Great. Where'd you go now? I think that was a big orange belly bird. But I cannot believe that I caught another squirrely right in front of my house. Well, on the electrical wire right across from my window. I'm like, it's okay, Mr. Squirrely. It's okay. What the hell? I'm telling you, this should be weird. I have another video about some sinkhole shit. Look like a sinkhole, don't it? It would just be disappearing. Yeah, that looked like someone just disappeared. Hasn't got their mail in who knows how long. Neutered. Oh. Oh. Oh, you're weird sounding. Oh. What is that? In front of the house. 28. Where'd you go? There's another crate in my neighbor's yard again. It's like all covered up. I don't think it's there anymore. It was there a couple days ago. Okay. That was weird. Where'd you go? Blackbird? And then the bluebird, I can't believe it came to my house at 12:24 p.m. That's my dad's birthday, 12:24. What does the bluebird say? I always think about Miss Meadow. But that's from, where is the blue jay from? And also thinking about, oh, scaredy cat. So cute. My daughter's dog is black with white. Yeah, 24. Anyways, yeah, it's just so funny. These look like witches' pots, and I think that's so funny. I need to get. I'm just so tired of not being able to do the things I want to do. Or I don't know why. I need somebody to be like, hey, come on, let's, you know? Oh, so cute. They had a little trouble controlling that dog. Oh, see, what is that? Don't eat that. What are you eating? Oh. Someone else recording the birds too, not just me. They were eating some kind of chippy chip. There's a bird feeder over around the corner. Don't eat those nasty chips. Even though that's so funny, because that bird seed has corn in it. And the other bird seed that I had from the whatever, didn't have corn in it. But I noticed that there was a bunch of corn left when I went to refill it this morning. There was like just a layer of corn on the bottom. That was all that was left. So I want to try to find the other birdseed, because the other birdseed had like fruits and not, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, And I think it was a lot more healthy.